Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kapil Home Workouts. Today we will do a lower body workout, and in this workout we have three blocks and we have two exercises each block. So in first block we will do squats and step ups. We are using all these things we have today. So we have 15 kg total weight dumbbells, 25 kg total weight dumbbells, then we have a 5 kg plate. I have this bag and this stool for step ups. So first we will do heavy squats. So I will be putting this total 15 kg weight into this bag, and then I will have this 25 kg weight on my shoulders. So I will be doing total 40 kg squats. So there will be total 4 rounds in first block. So let's start. I am putting a 30-minute timer here. Um, so for squats, I will be using 40 kg total weight. For this, I am putting these total 15 kg weight on my shoulders, back side, on my backpack. So we are with 40 kg total weight. I am putting this dumbbell on front rack position. Let's start today's workout. Five reps. So this is exercise 1 of our first round. Now we will do step ups, 5 reps on each side with 25 kg weight. So first we do all the step ups on one side, then we do another on another side. So I am doing first on left side. Five reps. Five reps. So this is round 1 of block 1. We will take some rest as we are doing heavy weights. Heavy weight is a relative term here. It can be 100 kg for you, 40 kg for me. As we are doing home workouts with limited resources, so we are putting everything what we have together to achieve a certain level of fitness. Now we will be doing squats again. This time I have done total 10 reps of these squats. Now we will do our step ups. First on left side, then on right side. Five reps. Five reps on right side. Now we take some 30-40 second rest. This time we will do again 10 reps. Then in last round we will do 12 reps of squats. So in this way we will be completing total 40 reps with 40 kg. It sounds nice. So I am putting 15 kg weight on my back. I have done 12 reps. So we have to only do 10 reps in last round of these squats. Or we may be doing 12 reps. We will see. Now we do our step ups again. First left leg. Five reps. On right side. Lean somewhat forward when you push from your leg like this. Now push. 3. 5 reps. So now we move to last round, that is 4th round of the first block. Now we do our last round of squats. 10 reps. Seven reps. 9. 10. 11 reps. So we have done total 41 of these squats with 40 kg weight. Now we move to our next exercise of this round, that is dumbbell step ups. We are doing these step ups with 25 kg weight total. So most of the weight in this exercise is on one leg. So 5 reps. Left side, lean forward and push from your leg. Five reps. Now 5 reps on right side. Lean forward, push up. So 5 reps. So we have completed block 1. Of our workout. maybe 13-14 seconds, sorry, minutes, or maybe 12 minutes. We took some time in start of our workout. So now we will be starting our block 2. I am putting out these 15 kg dumbbells from this bag. And putting this 5 kg plate inside it. So we will be doing 30 kg reverse lunges. So I will be using 25 kg of dumbbell and this 5 kg plate in my reverse lunges. Take some rest. I have tied a knot previously, so it may not slip. But this is also hampering its movement. So now in this round we will be doing reverse lunges and push-ups. So we will have 5 kg plate weight on our back, 5 kg weight on our back and 25 kg weight on our shoulders, or maybe we keep our hands like this. Then we will do push-ups with 5 kg weight. So I am not putting down this weight until I finish the block 2 completely. It is not much weight here, it is only 5 kg, so it will not be a problem. In push-ups. So I am doing reverse lunges now. Block 2 guys. 10 reps. Ten reps. Now push-ups. Twenty reps. Now again we do our reverse lunges. Ten reps guys. 10 reps. Now we do push-ups of this round. We will be doing total 3 rounds in this block. Twenty push-ups. Now the last round of this block. We do 10 reverse lunges. And reverse lunges, guys. Ten reps. Now we are left with our push-ups. Push-ups, guys. Fifteen reps of push-ups in this round, as I feel tired very much. So now we are done with block 2. Now we move to block 3 of our workout. So again, there are 2 exercises in this workout. First exercise is split squat. We do split squat on with 25 kg weight. First on left side, then on right side. Then we do jump squats. So we will be doing 5 to 6 reps of split squats on each side. We are left with 6 minutes 20 seconds in our workout. So let's see how many rounds we can complete of this workout. I am targeting minimum 3. Let's see what happens. So split squats position, 5 reps. Now right side. So now we will be doing 10 to 12 rep of jumping squats with 15 kg weight. We are doing this last round of workout in Imam style, every minute on minute. Twelve reps. Two more rounds to go. Five reps. Five reps. Now we do our jumping squats. Twelve reps. Now we are in our last round of block 3. Split squats. First on left side. Five. Now on right side. Five reps. Now last exercise of today's workout. Our jumping squats with 15 kg weight. 10 reps, 12 reps guys. So this was our lower body workout. It was an intense workout, intense in terms of both cardio as well as strength. So first we have strong strength component, and in the end of workout we have strong cardio component. So thanks guys, thanks for being there. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.